Today, we're reviewing the SmallRig 2113 folding tool. This is a $20 tool that has 7-in-1 features that will help you either tighten, fix, or maintain parts of your tripod, cages, or accessories that complement your main setup. On my channel, I cover a lot of gear such as cameras and tripods, but I seldom cover tools that support them. So this will be one of them. To also make things interesting, we are at this place called Changi Jewel, and behind me is a 40-meter tall man-made waterfall. So while explaining all the features found on this tool, you guys will see changes made towards the background. And we are going to be starting at the bottom of the waterfall all the way up to the top. The first amazing thing about this tool is how small it is. It only measures about 82mm and 24mm in its sides. Now for comparison, this is my mobile phone and this is the tool next to it. It's also really light, coming at only about 79 grams or 2.7 ounce. As for the material, you think they might skim on it, but no, it actually feels really good. We are not against it. So you guys can hear, it's made out of a good quality, a stainless steel aluminium alloy material. Let's talk about packaging, because it's something that I really like. Once you buy it, it actually comes in this form. It's actually boxed in this corrugated board, which is environmentally friendly. Once you open it, it actually comes in this very nice shell casing. And once you open it, you think that you will get the tool straight. It actually comes in a little drawstring bag, which even has the SmallRig logo on it. And then obviously the tool. And what's good about this shell casing is that actually there's a webbing here for you to really put the tool in. So even if you forget to zip, it won't be falling out anytime soon. So let's get into the meat of the patty, or the main tools of this tool. Okay, once you open it up, there are a total of 7 different tools. Starting on the right, you have Allen keys, 1, 2, and 3, and another Allen key over here, which is slightly smaller. Here you have a flat screwdriver or a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, more or less those standard ones, and this Torx 25 screwdriver. Here I have is the tripod which I just covered, which is the SK04, and you guys can see over here, there's this little opening here, which actually requires an Allen key. And I can just use to tighten it. So because after using the tripod for a long time, it tends to be a bit loose. So this helps to make it tighter and more stiff, helping you to support your gears much better. Moving on to our next tool, which is this slotted or flat screw over here. Now this is widely used for tripod bases. Now this is a standard tripod base which I have, and you can see at the bottom, it requires this flat screw. So here I have is my Sony ZV-1. And this is why having this particular tool is especially important for filmmakers or content creators. Next, you'll notice there are actually screw threads over here. Now this screw threads is meant to help you to measure the different types of screws that you have. So here I have is one from actually one of my action cameras. So let's see which hole this one fits in. Okay, here I have is another one, which I think is a 1/4 inch screw. So basically this helps you to identify the exact screw size or type. So what kind of burn are you going to feel? Now this only costs about 20 USD. But for now, there's actually a sale that's ongoing that costs only about 16 USD, which is only about $4 price difference. In Singapore, $4 can't even get you a McDonald's meal. Alright, let's conclude. I really think this tool is really useful, and every content creator needs to have at least one of these in your pocket. It is very handy when it comes to installing hardware or just doing maintenance work on your tripod and cages. The $20 spent will likely go a very long way, as I don't see this spoiling anytime soon. There are of course other similar tools out there from different brands or even SmallRig themselves with different or even more tools. But for the price point and the tools that this one has, I think it's quite affordable and practical. If you have enjoyed this review of this tool or just enjoyed the backseat tour of this place, do leave me down in the comments below if you've ever been to this place before and when you'll be getting one of these yourself. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.